Hey everyone, I'm Kevin Famingia. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Bridge Labs. We came all the way here from the States to organize the Ghana AI workshop. This is very important for us because we want to invest in the local community. We want to invest in businesses, SMEs, and the local talent because we understand that Ghana is in position to be a major tech hub in Africa and also be a major AI tech hub. We're seeing companies come here to establish their presence. So why not? Why not bring in subject matter experts to educate like the business community and to understand how to use AI. So I'm really happy that all of our partners came on board to really teach the participants. So it's only right that we do this for our community.
I'm Emmanuel Watson from Civil Service, specifically Government Secretariat. As an instructor, I want to really appreciate those who organize the program. It's really an insightful program, especially organized for people like us who are in the field, both education and then the business sector. In fact, I got a lot of insights from how to use AI to organize my business, and also there was a question that was asked to me, and then how to also use AI in my lecturing, how to teach people. I'm very grateful, all the way from the Eastern region, and then really grateful for everything, all the insight that I got from it. Teaching with AI, organizing marketing with AI, content creation and other stuff. It's very grateful. I'm grateful for those who organize it. Thank you very much.
Hey, my name is Roy. I'm from AI Data, and my take on AI in Ghana is that it's a space where we really need to take advantage of and really find our niche and the way we can use AI to find local solutions and help people understand and also benefit from this new AI trend.
I'm Abubakar Isaka, the president of the Cybersecurity Expert Association of Ghana. My highlight for today's great workshop, Ghana AI workshop, is the fact that we are being trained to understand how to use artificial intelligence in our various businesses. And strategies have been given, and then much importantly, we all know how AI is and the advantages, but then the quality of data also defines the artificial intelligence feedback or result that we are going to get out of it. Not forgetting, from the cybersecurity perspective, the security dangers that is associated with artificial intelligence. It was highlighted here, and I'm glad to know a whole lot of things. I've gained insight, and I wish to have this event more often so that we can all gain insight into the emerging technology that we are all foreseeing.